nice!
That's pretty cool.
Dad, look how close that is to the road.
Yeah. That's quite fast flowing as well.
Yeah.
Really?
That's quite dangerous.
Yeah.
When you go through water, so you test your brakes. Look at all of that.
Yeah, probably. If it's... Oh, that's quite deep there, isn't it?
Yeah. I wonder what... That is a lot of water. Flood. Oh. Can't... Oh yeah, there's a flood.
No worse. All that over there is quite...
Oh yeah. I mean, that Honda went through it, so...
Yeah, it's a deep thing we've had.
Look at down there.
Deeper, but it's
Yeah.
quite...
Look at that, Dad.
Yeah, look at that.
Those.
Wow, that's a lot of water, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm glad we...
Oh man. That is.
Oh, look, oh, look how high this is.
I know. That's.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my life.
Look at that.
Oh my life.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my gosh, Dad. Look at that. That Land Rover must have just came through that. What are you doing? This is not real, right? Like, how's this a thing?
Oh, there's my boy.
It says Florida Red, so I don't know what to expect.
Yeah.
This is great.
Oh, that's quite high.
Oh wow. Oh, yeah, you'll be fine. You'll be good, right? Nice and slow. Oh, actually,
We're basically in a river area.
Dad, I don't think. You think we can do it?
It's not Rufford Fall, is it? It's like sharks. You know what?
What?
I'm going to get back.
Yeah.
Just a bit deeper than I'm comfortable with.
I'll put your headlights on. Yeah.
We don't need to go that way, so I think we'll leave it.
Yeah. It's probably best to. If you're in like a lifted truck. I'll take a video. This is the road and that is down there.
And I think most of it might have subsided by tomorrow, but we haven't got anything planned.
What do you mean subsided?
Gone down, reduced. But if we haven't got anything planned, then we should come here for a walk, because the rivers and Daniel's Well and everywhere could be quite...
Okay, so it's not going...
Oh, hello!
Oh!
Yeah. Flipping heck.
Flipping heck!
See what that's like?
Yeah, that is deep. Flipping heck. You
What's
can
it
make
like
it through
over there?
this. Flipping heck!
That's the whole of that area, isn't it?
Yeah. No, if I was in that house, I'd be scared.
The thing is, to get up another 30 centimetres, that's an awful lot of water it needs, so
True.
they're probably fine.
What if it's really flooded? Oh, that's quite flooded.
Well, you know the answer to that, don't you?
Oh, yeah.
What's the answer? Tell me what
Turn
the answer
around.
is. What are your options?
Oh, wow. Oh. Do you think we can make that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right, now slow down. Keep my revs up. Oh, look, there's a stream here.
Oh, yeah.
With a ditch that goes along here.
Yeah.
It's exactly what I thought might happen, an
Really?
overflowing ditch.
Yeah. How does the bus make it through? Oh, the bus can make this through.
Very high. Clearance.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh. You gonna go through
Yeah,
that?
that's alright.
Oh yeah, look at that. No problem.
Probably wouldn't have done it in my car. I could have done, but
Pheasant?
I probably wouldn't choose to.
Yeah. This car's going alright, but it's alright. He probably...
He's come this way. I mean,
look,
if he lives here.
he could have came from that way.
You still have to go through the ford, I think, don't you?
No, you don't.
That's what I was going to say earlier, that we could go round that way if we need to.
Yeah, true.
What's it going to be like?
I don't know. Close your eyes. Well, actually, I can see first.
Probably going to be a trick on. We'll go, well, what's that about?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Oh.
it's quite...
Oh.
I don't know. I see...
It's not deep.
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that. He could have come from there.
Yeah. I couldn't remember where it came from. Oh, that is quite...
What was that?
We're just going a bit slow in this field.
We made it. Well, we don't know what it's going to be like down there, so...
Oh yeah. That's true. Yeah, that's a telehandler.
Yeah.
TM310.
Yeah, I have a bigger one. Yeah, it could be flooded down here.
Yeah, it might be.
Oh, this van must have made it through. Oh!
That is quite deep.
I mean, that...
It's quite low to the ground though, that's why.
Was that fire?
Possibly.
Pardon?
Possibly.
That's probably gone from Castle Plume.
Yeah. Well, this is the deepest we've had.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna make this.
Well, that car did, so yes we are. That is quite deep. Well, it's not up to the bumper even of that Golf or
No.
Polo. Oh, just is there.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that was the most exciting one.
Yeah. Imagine we got stuck there.